Vortex Mixer. Operation video. The standard package includes one vortex mixer and a rubber cup. How to set the speed. Analog vortex mixer. Switch to touch to select touch mode. Rotate the speed knob to adjust the mixing speed. Press the sample tube against the rubber cup to start mixing. Speed can be adjusted on the fly. Switch to on for continuous mixing mode. Rotate the speed knob to adjust the mixing speed. Place the sample tube onto the rubber cup to mix. Switch to off to stop the mixing. How to set the speed and time. Digital vortex mixer. Switch to on to select continuous mode. Press the knob and set the speed when speed screen is flickering. Press the knob again until the digit appears and set the time when time screen is flickering. Place the sample tube onto the rubber cup to mix. Press Run Stop button to stop mixing. Press the knob again until the CONT appears. Press the Run Stop button to start continuous mixing. Place the sample tube onto the rubber cup to mix. How to change the accessories. Remove the rubber cup from the device. Install the universal top plate and secure it with a screw. Press the attachment into the top plate. To mix a flask, use a flask attachment to secure the flask on the universal top plate. Rotate the speed knob to adjust the mixing speed. When mixing with the universal top plate, the speed cannot be set over the central line on the analog version, or it cannot be over 1500 RPM on the digital version.